Okay, so today in front of me, I have the Phiaton 900 Legacy over-the-ear headphones. Now, the price point on these headphones right here is anywhere between $225 to $250, depending on where you get them, whether it's on their website or on Amazon. And spoiler alert, they're cheaper on Amazon. And I never understood why companies did that. I'm pretty sure this doesn't stand for all companies, but why don't you have the cheaper price or at least the same exact price on your website and not have the cheaper price on Amazon? I don't know. I don't get that. You would think that the lower price would be on their website so that more people will go and buy from their website. But I guess either way, they're making money. So whatever. I digressed. And you know what? Just roll the intro.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so like I said in the intro, these headphones are currently going for $225 to $250, and I do have a problem with that because I went on Amazon and the Sony WH-1000XM4s recently came out, which dropped the price of the 1000XM3s. And the 1000XM3s right now, you can go on Amazon and here's a version right here for $185. You have $179. And so that puts it well below the price point of these, and then you'll have the $224 right there. But all I'm trying to say is, Phiaton, when you watch this video, you really need to lower the price point on here because Sony is a well-known brand, and at one point the XM3s were probably one of the best over-the-ear headphones for consumers on the market. And now that you guys are competing with them, I really honestly believe that these probably should be more around, I don't know, maybe the $150, $175 range instead of at the $225 price point that these are currently at. I don't know, that's just my opinion. As you can see on the box, they do come in a black color, and you can see that there's this carbon fiber design, which I'll show more B-roll of later once I open this box up. But it does give this nice distinguished look to these headphones. On the back of this box, as you can see, you do have your touch gestures right here. You have your volume up, volume down, track forward, track back, play, pause music, and in and answer phone calls. And it comes with this nice case, which I will show you a little bit later. You have your Bluetooth 5.1. You have your superior digital hybrid noise canceling with FF and FB. FF stands for feed forward and FB stands for feedback. You have this impressive 43-hour total playback time. You have 10-minute fast charge, which gives you an additional 4 hours of playback time. And just to go into a little bit more detail about this battery, if you do drain the battery on these headphones, it'll take around 3 hours and 20 minutes to fully charge these back up. You also have smart play and pause, and that sensor will be on the left ear cup. So you move the left ear cup, it'll pause your music and then put it back on. It'll automatically start playing. Self-explanatory. Qualcomm aptX HD high definition Bluetooth wireless audio. You get some more specs right here, and then it shows your accessories right here. You get your audio cable, and the good thing about the audio cable that comes inside this box is that if your mobile device isn't Bluetooth capable or the battery has ran dead on these headphones, you can use this audio cable and still hook this up to whatever device you want to use it with, and then you'll still be able to use the headphones. You also have this USB charging cable to USB type A to USB type C. You have this nice carrying case, and then you also get a quick start guide. Okay, so on the inside of this box, you just flip this door open right here. You have your case right here. Let me set it to the side real quick, and then you have your quick start manual right here. Quick start manual is nothing much to it, so we're not even going to really talk about it. In this case right here, it is a hardcover case, so you don't have to worry about your headphones getting smushed. And then you also get this nice carrying handle right here. Now on the inside of this case, you have your pouch on the left side. You do have your audio cable and your USB type C charging cable right here. Nothing much to that. And then here are the headphones. And like I said earlier, you do have your carbon fiber look right here. It's not really too much of a fingerprint magnet. I mean, there's slight fingerprints on here, but it's not as bad if it was just straight black shiny. I mean, you do see a little bit of fingerprints right there, but they're not as noticeable. I just do have a bright light shining on here right now. That's why you can actually see it a lot better than what they actually look like. And then on the outside, as you can see, you do have this copper color ring that goes around this carbon fiber look right here, and then also the Phiaton logo is colored in copper as well. The headband is a click style headband. It's not your sliding style headband that some of the newer headphones are coming out in, and then these ear cups are said to have memory foam, but I mean it is a little bit memory foam, but I just seen a better quality memory foam on other headphones. That's just what I've noticed. But I mean, if these will be your first pair of over-the-ear headphones, the memory foam on these ear cups are not that bad, and then you do get a little bit of padding memory foam on the top headband piece right here. You have your left and right insignias on the inside of these ear cups, so you always know which one goes on which ear. And then on the left ear cup, you do have your USB Type-C charging port, you have an indicator light, you have your power button, and then you also have your noise cancellation button. And then on the left side, this is where you have your 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and I do believe that there are 2 microphones on the outside of each ear cup, and then also 2 more microphones on the inside of each ear cup, and that just helps out with your ANC as well. And that's pretty much it for the overall construction and design of these headphones. They are actually really comfortable. Put them on my ears, there is no clamping feeling. The memory foam ear cups, they do a pretty good job. I can actually see myself wearing these for a long extended period of time and not getting any type of ear fatigue. Oh yeah, I did forget to mention that these do have multi-point connection, so you can hook these up to 2 devices at the same time. So let's say you have it hooked up to your tablet and your phone, you're watching a movie on your tablet, your phone rings, it'll switch over to your phone, you pick it up, you're done with that, you hang up the phone, they'll switch back to your tablet to continue to watch the movie. So that's what multi-point connection is. These have them. That is a very nice feature when it comes to over-the-ear headphones and hooking things up and hooking these up to multiple devices. That's just my opinion, and it's not something that I need to have, but it's nice when it is available inside of over-the-ear headphones. Now, before I get into the sound quality, the call quality, and the latency, the active noise cancellation in these earbuds, it's actually really good. Phiaton actually really did a good job with the active noise cancellation. I mean, it's not the best out there. Obviously, you're not going to be paying for the best, but for that $225 price point, it is fairly good. And that was my opinion at the time of testing these out. But as I showed you earlier in this video, the Sony XM3s are available for, I don't know, maybe around $185 to $225, $250 in the same price point as these. It kind of knocks down the active noise cancellation on it. Don't get me wrong, it's still pretty good, but it's just a tough break for Phiaton that they're competing with Sony. But just to keep these strictly about these headphones, they do a really good job with the active noise cancellation. I have nothing to complain about. And one more thing before I get into the sound quality is that there is no app associated with this. With the price point that these are, I do believe that Phiaton should have an app, and they have a bunch of other headphones that can actually utilize the same app as well. I just think that when you start getting in the realm of the Jawbras, the Sonys, the Bose, the JBLs, and some of these other more higher price premium over-the-ear headphones, you probably want to come with as much as possible just to stay competitive. Even if it's not like the most advanced app, you can at least have something in place that'll show, like, I don't know, the battery life, what type of headphones you have connected to it, maybe adjust the EQ, maybe turn off the touch surface on the outside of these headphones. I think that in 2021, if you have headphones or if you have earbuds that are priced over $200, you probably should come with the app. Sound quality on these is very good. The overall sound is more like an overall dynamic sound, and you do get the right amount of bass. I don't think it's fully for your bass heads. You have a good thump when it comes to the lows, very good. When it comes to the mids, it's spread out evenly through your instrumentations, and then also the voices as well. And then the highs, I wish the overall sound on these would get a little bit louder. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm losing my hearing. I'm not sure about that. But there are crystal clear highs. I would just like the overall volume to be turned up just a little bit more. But that's just my opinion. Sound quality, very good. I can't complain about that. They really did their thing when it came to sound quality. It's not lacking in that department at all. Now, when it comes to call quality, as you're hearing my voice right now, this is exactly how the other person will hear you on a phone call. The phone calls, they are in stereo, so that's a good look on these headphones. There's no reason why you shouldn't have any type of over-the-ear headphones or truly wireless headphones where your call quality isn't in stereo. There's no excuse for that in 2021. That's just my opinion. So I called my dad with these headphones on like I always do when I'm testing out headphones. He was able to hear me just fine, clearly, no issues with that. Had ambient music going on in the background, and
my voice wasn't drowned out by the ambient tones. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and test that out right in front of you and let you know and let you decide exactly how they sound. Okay, so right now, as you can hear, the music behind me is at a volume 7, and when the beat comes on, when the music actually starts playing louder, it fills this room up a lot more, and the ambient noise is actually, I don't know, comparable to walking around in the city, probably even louder than that because this is a smaller area. And then as you can hear, the music is actually on right now, and I don't know how this is right now, but in post I'll find out exactly how it is, and you can leave a comment down below and let me know how the overall call quality is when I have a lot of ambient noise going on in the background. And that right there, people, is the extent of my call quality check.
And then for latency, I tested out Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, Hulu, all your main video streaming services. I tested those out, no latency problems whatsoever. And that's my full review of these headphones. I mean, they do look nice, they feel nice, they sound nice. It's just that one thing, the price point, it has to be lower simply because they are competing with the Sony XM3s, and Sony actually did them dirty when they lowered the price on these, because if you can get the Sony XM3s for the price point lower or at the same as these, I have to recommend go ahead and get the Sonys, just because they have better ANC overall, and they have an app that you can use. I mean, and it's probably an overall more trusted brand worldwide than Phiaton. I'm not saying Phiaton is a bad company. I'm just saying Sony is a probably bigger company, and it's probably going to hurt Phiaton sales if they are priced higher than the Sony XM3s. And oh yeah, and one more thing, Phiaton, make an app. That's all I gotta say. Make an app. 2021, going into 2022. Make an app. And yeah, people, that's all I got for you. That is my full review of the Phiaton 900 Legacy over-the-ear headphones. If this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my next tech video. As always, thank you for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.